Okay, so now that we've got our code working and we know that the capacitive touch hat sensors are connected correctly, we're going to go ahead and take some alligator clips and we'll attach those to the board, and then on the other end, go ahead and poke that into a lemon. Then that was on sensor 0. On sensor 1, I'll add a green alligator clip, and then I'll connect the other side of that by poking it into this lime. Then let's add another alligator clip, and this one I can put in sensor 7, and that one we could put into a pair. Oops, it fell out. Again. There we go. Okay, so we've got some fruit connected here. And now let's adjust our code to recognize the different types of fruit. So instead of looping through all 12 of those sensors, we're just going to make some conditional statements. So if the yellow, which was sensor 0, is touched, then we're going to print you touched a lemon. And then we'll sleep so we don't get spammed, because these sensors are really touchy. So we'll copy and paste, and then in sensor 1, that's where I connected a lime, and in sensor 7, that was where I connected a pear. So we're going to save and run. So we're going to touch the lime, and when we look up, it says you touched a lime. Next, I'm going to touch the lemon. So touch the lemon, and we look up, it says you touched a lemon. And then I'm going to touch the pear, and we look up, and it says you touched a pear. So for your capacitive touch hat project, you and your partner are going to design a project that uses at least 6 of the sensors on the hat, and they must be connected to some type of an object to sense the touch. So that could be fruit, like I had. It could be a fork, a metal object, conductive fabrics, conductive paper. You can be as creative as you want to. Touching each object has to trigger a different response, and there must be at least 2 different types of responses. So an audio and a visual type of response. Okay. So when you've got your projects figured out and coded, Then you're going to upload your Python code files to Schoology. Make sure that if you have images or video or audio clips that are being triggered by your code, that all of those related files are together inside of the same folder, and they run within that folder. And then you're going to zip that folder to compress it and upload that to Schoology. You're going to upload a clear picture of your capacitive touch that shows the connections between the hat and the objects. You're going to upload a video demonstration of your project in action. Make sure to include an explanation of how the wiring was connected to your objects and how your code is working to produce the desired outcome. And you can record that with a cell phone or with your laptop. And then you're going to upload your completed project reflection document. Make sure you're detailed and specific in your responses, using content vocabulary correctly and in context. Okay, review the rubric to self-score your project before you submit, and good luck.